everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Zest. Happy Monday. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again to share the news, to talk crypto, to talk life. This show is sponsored by, hold on. Market Cypher. If you guys want to check out Market Cypher, click that link in the live chat and use code MISSTEAMCRYPTO for 20% off at checkout. They have awesome swag. I wore this last week. It kind of matches my shirt. But Market Cypher, check them out. Really, really dope. A lot of you guys have seemed to be enjoying it. I got some good feedback from the community. So hi, guys. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure to smash those likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people could get in here, get hype, and we can get down to the nitty-gritties. But before I get started, I want to say hi to you guys as always because this show wouldn't be anything without you guys, and I have so much love for everybody in the chat. So hope everyone is doing well. We're going to say hi. We got Jim in the chat. Colin, nice to see you. Nash, welcome to the show. How are you doing? We got Randy, nice to see you. Matt, nice to see you. Ooh.
Monday love coming in hot from SCC.
Yo, Jimmy, you're from Sin City Crypto. Hola, nice to see you, fam. Yes, the SEC. Thank you for the $20 super chat, by the way. Much love to you, friends. Yes, the people are coming in hot today. And that is why we are here to talk about it all. So again, smash those likes, share the stream out with friends. Thank you again, Jimmy. You're a good dude. What a cool kid. We got Matt. Nice to see you. Welcome to the chat, fam. Hope you had a good weekend, everybody. We have Bulldog. What's up? Welcome to the chat. Ilya, nice to see you. Lucas, nice to see you. You enjoyed the hat. Yes, a lot of people like the Market Cypher hat. I totally vibe with it. You know, out of all the things like that they could have, a bucket hat is definitely one of the best. And I actually used the Market Cypher backpack this weekend when I went to BitBoy's book signing. That was pretty cool as well. It was nice to see him in person. DB Zoom, you made the change from TikTok to YouTube. Much better here. Yeah, TikTok doesn't let me have fun over there. But nice to see you, DB Zoom. Thank you for coming. I appreciate you. We got Daddy O in the chat. Lord Michael McDade, welcome to the chat. Nice to see you. Rusty Bot, you're not late. You're right on time, fam. You didn't miss anything. Kevin, nice to see you. It's your first time watching. Well, thank you for coming. I really do appreciate it. Welcome to the show. We're going to talk about crypto and everything like that. Again, thank you, Jimmy, for coming. It's nice to see you as well. I love, like, you know, when we meet other friends from other communities and then we all just get to hang out together. It's just so awesome. Damien, nice to see you as well. Polonsky, nice to see you. All right, friends. I think I say hello to everybody. Let's get into the nitty gritties. We have a lot going on with crypto, with the gov, with price action. Thank you for the subscription, QS99. Appreciate it. Let's get into the show. Okay. As always, you know, we jump into the markets first. Hold on. I'm going to get that. And boom, we have Bitcoin. This is Market Cypher B at the bottom of my screen. But for the purpose of the show, I want you guys to see all the price action. So here we go. We got Bitcoin at $23,369.70, down 0.77%. As you can see, I'm actually looking at the 4-hour chart I was looking at before. Sorry, this is the daily chart now. We're, again, still same price, doesn't matter. But here we are, Bitcoin. We had our first range drawn out since the start of, or the end of January 20th. We've been looking at this one range where Bitcoin's just kind of been up and down and sideways, unsure of where it really wants to go. But then we really zoomed into the situation and we created in orange our second little range that we were figuring Bitcoin was having some trouble with. We know 25,200 range was a little spicy for Bitcoin. Couldn't close above there. But we did touch it with the wicks. Now, we saw over the weekend that we fell just below our range and recovered. So even I try to look at the 4-hour because I feel like it gives me a look at like the in-between, all the drama. It's like you could see the face, right? But you have to know like their story. You can see someone, but you have to know what happened to them, you know? So this is kind of giving me more of an idea what happened. There was a little bit of a battle, as you can see. There was a wick down to, let's see, $22,544, but we didn't close that low. But can this foreshadow a little bit of a dip down to that level? But again, we have been tinkering at this $23,500 level. Kind of looks like the 25.2 level where we're just kind of struggling right here, just struggling. A lot of sideways trading this weekend. I know we saw little pumps in between, we had some drops, we pumped back up, but I would like to see, stay in the 24K range. That would make me happy. It would make all of us happy, right? But again, this is just what's going on. I was nervous, friends. We were talking about this on Thursday on Thursday, how we were scared. We were so close to the bottom of our range. We're like, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? Can we fight? Can we fight? But unfortunately, we saw some bearish volume come in over the weekend. So more bearish volume, unfortunately, than bullish volume. I was saying last week, friends, I was like, I hope the bulls could come in and just fight the bears and say, no, no, no. But unfortunately, we had a little bit of a tiff over the weekend. The bears kind of won us over a little bit, but we're still kind of holding, sideways trading. We have Ethereum sitting at $1,636. Oops. Sorry, still in that range that we drew out, came close to the bottom of that range on February 13th. We were watching that, but Ethereum fought, came back up. As you can see, there's been okay amounts of volume, not anything substantial in either way, to be honest. It's kind of even here in my eyes. But again, we're still in this sideways kind of action. Ethereum kind of did the same thing as Bitcoin over the weekend, just kind of took a dip, is recovering a little bit, but not too much spice going on with Ethereum. I want more spice, guys. I want spice. I want moves. It will happen. We just have to keep calm, huddle on, stay patient, stick in our convictions, do our own research. We know what the future of crypto holds, but we're just looking at the price action because we can't help it. We're nerds. We're obsessed with Bitcoin. We're obsessed with Ethereum. We're obsessed with Litecoin and everything that crypto has to offer. Again, Ethereum down 0.36% at $1,635. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Not enough spice for me, but it's okay. We will have spice soon. Spice comes with patience, friends. And spice also comes when nobody expects it. Just like this initial recovery from FTX, no one expected this. Everyone said, no, friends, no, this is not going to happen. No recovery, no up for Bitcoin forever. Nah. Bitcoin does what it wants when it wants, and that goes for the rest of the market as well. We saw Litecoin actually start to pick up before Bitcoin made its little bit of a recovery here, which was really interesting. We've been saying on the channel for a little bit that Litecoin kind of makes a move and then other kind of follow it. But again, I'm not saying it's an indicator for the market. It's just something I've noticed. It's a pattern. Litecoin is currently sitting at $93.86, down 1.45%. And actually fell below our range, friends, twice, but didn't close below it. We saw a wick down to $89.98. I saw this happen, friends. I witnessed this. I was so sad. I was just watching it. I was like, no, don't go below $90. Don't, no. We didn't close there. But the wick went there. Does it foreshadow under $90 Litecoin? I hope not. But again, we're still really sideways in this $90 to $102 range with Litecoin. We know $100 is a psychological level. We have been tinkering here for quite a while. Litecoin's been pretty much holding where it's at. I'm interested. I'm intrigued. I feel like, again, there has to be a big move coming either way. I don't know what's going to happen, friends. I'm not giving price predictions. I'm just worried. I just want to know what's happening. I just want answers. But answers come with time and due diligence and with research. So pretty spicy for Litecoin and the markets here. Again, not a lot of change, not a lot of movement over the weekend. So we really didn't miss too much there. We do, however, have a lot of news that we have to discuss since I was last live on Thursday. We were last together on Thursday. John Germain, and nice to see you make it to the show. Mark Lamarck, welcome to the show. Remy 710. Oh, head over to YouTube. Hold on. People on Twitch get glitched out. Head over to YouTube. Okay. Meninja, nice to see you as well. Happy that you made it. Did I miss anyone else? We got Lee. Olive, welcome to the chat. Okay. All right, I think I got everyone. Let's get into the show. Let's get into everything going on we have Elon Musk. Over the weekend, he was posting memes about clickbait. He was trolling the Inflation Reduction Act, IRA versus the Irish Republican Army, IRA. He said Roth IRA versus Rath IRA, just making jokes about everything, about even World War III. He's saying he's laughing at World War III memes, but he's actually kind of worried about being in World War III and pressing both buttons. I wonder what flavors those are. It looks good. Anyway, he's talking about when he goes to the bathroom and he forgets his phone, which is, pretty interesting. I feel like, the phones have consumed us in every way, shape, or form. So I thought that was funny. In addition, he gets a little spicy with his memes. There was also something that was on SNL that was pretty nuts, if you guys want to go look at that. Then he was saying that he was having a bit of AI existential angst today. That was yesterday. But all things considered, with regard to AGI existential angst, I would prefer to be alive now to witness AGI than be alive in the past and not. So he is interested in all of this technology, launching rockets. There's, sunset at the pad here with Elon Musk and his SpaceX rockets. I'm highly intrigued to see what Elon Musk has going on. He was tweeting a lot this weekend, and usually when Elon tweets a lot, there must be something going on. There must be some announcement he has to make of some sort. So I'm very interested in that. However, friends, we know that this could be a big week for Bitcoin. This could be a big life for Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin is going to be big forever. It's always going to live on. We know all that stuff. This is just the beginning for Bitcoin. But a lot of people are talking smack. A lot of people are talking smack, and there's a lot of FUD being thrown around. There's good news, there's a little negative news, but there is a huge push for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency. It's all inevitable. But we do know that there has been a crazy crypto crackdown. Gary Gensler has been at the forefront of that, and this is a big story that was literally taking over the internet, crypto Twitter over the weekend. Gary Gensler did an interview with New York Magazine. The title was, "Can Gary Gensler Save Crypto Winter?" Gary Gensler, he's not one to save anybody, but throughout this article, it talks about, again, how SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, and FTX, they were literally in the process of acquiring a stake with Gensler in the stock exchange IEX, and he was joined by groups of FTX and IEX representatives to pitch a new SEC-approved crypto trading platform. And I love how this is something that's brought up now. Never before, before any news about IEX came out, no one talked about it. No one even knew that SBF had meetings with Gary Gensler over this. Why is this being discussed now? It's just placed in there, only they had meetings, but it was also about this exchange. Not a lot of people even knew about this before. Gary Gensler in private reportedly bragged about his acts. SBF, a top lawyer who had worked with Gary Gensler, in private reportedly bragged about his access to Gary. And this meeting was coming on the heels of a dinner Bankman-Fried arranged with SEC's incoming general counsel, Dan Berkowitz. And he recently stepped down. That's ironic. A lot of people are stepping down. It's very mysterious nowadays. However, again, we're going to keep going throughout this lovely article. We're going to fast forward from when he talks about FTX. He was saying, basically, this is a catalyst for crypto regulation. Unfortunately, they're saying, Gary Gensler was saying he loves the CFTC. He ran the agency during the Obama administration. As we touched on these uncomfortable facts implicating some of his former and current colleagues, quote, "You're not going to get me to say anything negative about the CFTC," he added. It's in my blood. So again, regulation is in his blood. He wants to, again, regulate crypto. The new Congress is looking again at crypto-specific legislation. Gary Gensler believes that the SEC has all of the legal tools that it needs. Now, a lot of people, again, are making moves to take the power of crypto regulation out of the SEC's hands, because obviously there's a crazy amount of stuff that's just being placed here that they're throwing at us that, again, a lot of these laws that were written in the 1930s and stuff like that, cannot hold up to cryptocurrency. You can't, and it's not their fault. It's not the law's fault. How could you create a law for something that wasn't even around, a technology that didn't exist? So I think a lot of things have to change, my personal opinion. Bill Duck, thank you for your rose on TikTok. I appreciate you. Gary Gensler, Again, literally creating fun in this space. He's over the course of the discussion in this interview, Gary articulated a straightforward view of the agency's reach that pretty much every sort of crypto transaction already falls under the SEC's jurisdiction, except spot transactions in Bitcoin itself and the actual purchase or sale of goods or services with cryptocurrencies. Get ready, friends. Here's the banger. Here's the whoa. Quote, everything other than Bitcoin, Gensler told me, you can find a website, you can find a group of entrepreneurs, they might set up their legal entities in a tax haven offshore, they might have a foundation, they might lawyer it up to try to arbitrage and make it jurisdictionally and or so forth. In other words, there are people behind these cryptocurrencies using a variety of complex and legally opaque mechanisms, mostly at the most basic level. They are trying to promote their tokens and entice investors. Bitcoin, because of its unique history and creation story, is fundamentally different from other crypto projects in this respect. So he's basically saying that everything other than Bitcoin is a security. Quote, they might drop their tokens overseas at first and pretend that it's going to take 6 months before they can come back to the US, he continued. But at the core, he argued, these tokens are securities because there's a group in the middle and the public is anticipating profits based on that group. That the claim that crypto investors are hoping to profit based on the efforts of those intermediaries, in much the same way that stockholders in public companies hope to see their investments appreciate over time, is central to Gensler's position that, as a legal matter, these are actually transactions and securities that fall within the SEC's jurisdiction. That was a lot of fancy words, friends. Basically, he's saying everything else besides Bitcoin is a security. It's absolutely bonkers. We do know that there's tons of use cases for digital currencies like utility tokens, gaming tokens. How could you say all of this is a security? That's absolutely bonkers. And even something like Litecoin, for example, probably the most fairly launched coin ever besides Bitcoin. Proof of work, mined. Every coin that was earned by somebody was mined. So how is that a security? You know what I mean? Like, this is actually crazy. Doglands Official, thank you so much for all of those flames, the roses and everything like that. I really do appreciate it. Wow, you sent me so much. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate the rain of love. Guys, what is happening? Guys, we also have a goal of 100 likes. I know I'm getting really spicy right now, but let's get some likes in here because this is absolutely nuts and more people need to talk about it. We got Mr. S, SSJ3. How do you guys feel? Crypto Savvy. How do you feel about this? Stereo 2. I am so over Gary Gensler, bro. What is he doing? Gensler's view is saying, like, this is based, dude. This article is based. Gensler's view is not that hard to understand, though it is being tested in the courts. The agency racked up a significant win last November, but there are other pending legal rulings that are eagerly awaited by industry observers, and there is a well-resourced crypto lobby that is not likely to back down anytime soon. Friends, there are people working to defy, get it? Defy the odds with this type of crackdown. Friends, we know why crypto is here. We know that crypto cannot be stopped. This, at the end of the day, I say this all the time, at the end of the day, this is just code. This is just code. You can't stop code. You can't stop computers from running. You can't stop all of this from happening and the whole world from governing this one blockchain like Bitcoin. You can't stop it. We know, unless you're a maximalist, we know that there's not going to be just one coin. We know that. It's inevitable. Crypto is inevitable. NFTs are inevitable. People want to own their assets. Unfortunately, not everyone is going to put their stuff on Bitcoin inscriptions and ordinals. I'm sorry. We need other blockchains for other things. It could be anything. Medical fields, everything. Crypto's going to take over. So again, friends, this is just fun.
Thanks for keeping it zesty. Speaking Celeste, megaphone, yeah.
Armani! Yar! Thank you so much for your $20 super chat. I appreciate you so much. I'm so happy you're here, man. I love seeing you around. Thanks again. Love. Don't be scared, friends. This will all pass. a lot of people were flaming Gary Gensler over this. People were losing their noodles. Again, basically what they were saying is everything is a security except for Bitcoin. Every company out there is in violation. And crypto is pointless, but blockchain is kind of neat. Which, again, we do know big banks are using blockchain for various things. We know, they're making private blockchains for CBDCs and all of this stuff. So we have a lot to battle against, but again, this is why we're here. That's why we're on this show. That's why we're taking part of this revolution so we can educate other people. We have states like Wyoming, right, that are putting legislation forward to protect Bitcoin private keys from the courts. This is beautiful. It protects its citizens from having to disclose their private keys with a singular exception. Having now been approved by the state Senate and House of Representatives, and now simply needs to be signed by the governor in order to take effect. Here is a beautiful clip that I wanted to show you guys. I don't know why my screen went black and I had to refresh like that. It's making me a little salty, but it's okay. Take a gander, friends. I feel like this is something cool to listen to. Again, friends, if you're on TikTok, head over to youtube.com/MissTeenCrypto so you can hear it all.
Baldwin, Barlow, Beitman, Boner, Bouchard.
All right, let's get to the spicy part. I want to get to the spicy part.
Hutchings, McEwen. House Bill 86. Are there any changes?
Okay, well, this is not loading for me the way I wanted it.
Having received the affirmative vote of the majority of the members elected to the Senate, House Bill 5, voter registry list.
A little help
voter ID.
towards getting your first whole BTC fist.
Savvy, stop it. Thank you for throwing that in there to distract everyone while myself was glitching, but Savvy, thanks so much. Man, I can't with you, bro. Crypto Savvy's the man. Crypto Savvy's the man. Thank you so much. Hugs to you. Man, I can't with him. All right, this is the spicy part.
And absentee ballots. House Bill 19, State Indian Child Welfare Task Force. House Bill 86, Disclosure of Private Cryptographic Keys. House Bill 147, Unlawful Trespass Signage, Taking of Wildlife. And House Bill 160, Driver's License Veterans Designation, replacing DD Form 214, have passed the Senate.
Good news for crypto friends. They passed the bill. They passed the bill. Woo! Disclosure of private cryptographic keys legislation states that no person shall be compelled to produce a private key or make a private key known to any other person. Friends, we are owning our assets. This is beautiful. This is why we're here. And finally, we're having some legislation that's representative of the people and our likes and what we want. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shout out to Wyoming. We need more states like Wyoming. We do know Arizona was passing legislation for a Bitcoin to become legal tender there, to make cryptocurrency tax-exempt property. Texas was making legislation to invest in Bitcoin, to promote Bitcoin mining, to push education on Bitcoin, and to also prevent CBDCs. We do know that Tom Emmer, oh my gosh, I don't have the tweet up, bro. Wow, I'm such a bad host. We do know that Tom Emmer was making moves last week. I have the link. I'm not that bad. I could pull it up quick. Tom Emmer was making moves last week to put forward legislation, a bill to cover 3 important things regarding CBDCs. It was a CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act to halt efforts of unelected bureaucrats in Washington, D.C. from stripping Americans of their right to financial privacy. The bill does 3 things, my friends. It prohibits the Fed from issuing a CBDC directly to anyone, bars the Fed from using a CBDC to implement monetary policy and control the economy, requires the Fed's CBDC projects to be transparent to Congress and the American people. Again, friends, this is why we're worried about CBDCs, because anything less opens the door to the development of a dangerous surveillance tool. Tom Emmer, legend. Also, Haley Lennon, if you know her, she's going on Charles Payne at 2:30 today, I believe, on Fox Business to talk about it. So that'll be a good segment. Friends, we have the fight against crypto, but we have the fight for crypto. Eventually, this is all going to just build up into zestiness. And eventually crypto, they're going to have to give in. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all of it will be embraced. It's just a matter of when and how. This is pushback. This is pushback to hold us back. You can't hold us back forever, friends. You can't hold us back forever. I know we have more people in the chat. Crypto King 760. Yes, that was about the disclosure of private keys, so you don't have to disclose your private keys to any other individual. Kenny Orlana, nice to see you. Kenny O, Phoebo Swami, Swanee, nice to see you. Give me a Z, give me an E, give me an S. You're funny, dude. Bitcoin Chris. Oh, Bitcoin Chris, is that you from Clubhouse? Oh my gosh, if that's Bitcoin Chris from Clubhouse, man, it's nice to see you. It's been a friggin' minute. Wow, I'm happy to see you. Happy to see you join the show. Again, friends, make sure you smash these likes. Our goal is 100 likes and 100 viewers per show. You know, we're just trying to be out here. It is you. Nice to see you, fam. Thank you so much for coming. Again, friends, make sure you share the stream out. Share love to the stream. We got BRMC in the chat as well. The Basin Bruce, Minnesota. Tom is awesome. Yes, Tom Emmer. He's kind of pulling some legend stuff right now. Meta Knight, hi from Dubai. Well, what's up, man? From Dubai. I'm from New York. Nice to see you. Dubai. I want to go to Dubai, ride a camel in the desert or something, you know, have a nice time, go to a crypto conference, you know the vibe. There's so many people out there in Dubai. Franklin 14th, nice to see you. Franklin from Novo Pangea, nice to see you. Oh, yes. Nice to see you. I was on the site, like, you know, looking around before at the game. Nice to see you, man. Welcome to the show. Academy, nice to see you. Ooh, you think Hex went on a run, didn't it? Nice to see you guys. Again, friends, we have more news coming in. Montana Senate passes a bill protecting crypto miners. Really interesting stuff. They passed a bill on Thursday. So right after the Daily Zest ended, we couldn't even grab this for the last Daily Zest, but it's a nice thing to start off the week with here. The proposed law passed 37-13 in the Senate, and next will go to the state's House for its approval. The bill protects at-home mining, prevents discriminatory utility rates for miners, and stipulates that crypto used as payment will not be subject to additional taxes. That is so spicy. That is so spicy. That is empowering people to take part in this network. If you are running a node, if you're mining, if you're transacting, you are helping the network. The more you use the network, the more secure it becomes, specifically talking about Bitcoin, Litecoin, and others. The legislation also takes power from local governments, protecting them from moving against at-home mining or retroactively using zoning laws to shut down active operations. These protections, along with clarifying tax law in relation to digital assets when used as payment, will plant a flag in Montana that sends a message that we are open to embracing the digital asset mining industry. Montana Senator Daniel Zolnikov told CoinDesk. Boom. Mic drop right there. Thank you, dog, again. Dude, that is so awesome. I love seeing people taking charge. I love seeing people say, hey, we're not scared. We will step up. We will embrace crypto. The new law might possibly upend a 2020 Missoula County zoning ordinance that required all Bitcoin miners to buy or build renewable energy assets equivalent to their energy consumption. Ooh. We know that Bitcoin miners, they're always targeted. People are saying Bitcoin mining is bad for the environment. When this has already been debunked, there's so many people that are literally fighting the fight to push for Bitcoin mining, like Dennis Porter, who has been on the show. Really cool guy. He's part of an advocacy group called the Satoshi Act Fund. They helped draft together the language in this bill. Dennis said there's still more work to be done in Montana, but as a new organization, we feel confident about the progress we have made. Go off, Dennis Porter. Shout out to Dennis. Hope to get him back on the show soon to talk about this, actually. That would be really interesting. Friends, this is so awesome. People like Dennis Porter, too, he goes everywhere. If you guys follow Dennis, this dude goes absolutely everywhere and works so hard to push crypto regulation in a good way. We need people that are going to push things in a good way, right, Todd, that's Todd, right? Yes, Todd, welcome to the show. We have more news as well, which isn't like the best. It's not the best, but it's something. Illinois officials pushing state crypto licensing to emulate New York's BitLicense. Let me tell you, friends, you do not want any state to do this, emulate New York's BitLicense. Speaking from me, I live here. It is so bad. It's like literally like oh, it's like literally someone laughing at you and saying, haha, get wrecked. Like, you can't we have access to basically no exchanges except for Coinbase and Gemini. We can't really diverse like that. And, nothing, it's so hard for anything to get approved here. It's really sad. And I really think that, again, this will come in due time where states will be more open to it. We know New York is looking to pass a bill for you to pay bills and things, and Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. So keep that in mind. However, this is just stuff in the meantime that's unfortunately happening. Illinois is trying to follow New York's crypto footsteps with a new oversight regime. Illinois' first regulatory innovation officer is David DiCarlo. He's among the prominent advocates for the plan and now being shepherded throughout the state legislature. Urgh. A coordinated pair of bills has been introduced to both chambers of the Illinois General Assembly that would establish a crypto license for the state, as well as consumer protections that would include disclosures and safeguarding of customer assets. The Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation, the IDFPR, a lot of words here, where DiCarlo works, has helped craft new measures that could put Illinois in a league with New York and eventually California, let's put that in bold here, and is setting up comprehensive state-level crypto regulations. Quote, it's happening too often where there's some scam or collapse that's hurting consumers directly in their pocketbooks, DiCarlo said in a CoinDesk interview. The state needs safeguards in place soon so we could get in front of those, he said. Plus, a way to give the financial innovation some stable footing in Illinois. Financial stable footing, you won't even allow people to do anything because nothing's even happening here in New York. It's so lame. Literally, Where is the protection where people are literally betting their lives on sports gambling or the stock market, whatever, and you could just lose your entire wealth in there, your whole life's worth in there. But crypto's so bad because you're investing in something, or you're exchanging your fiat money for something that's going to do you good, and you can own your assets. The legislation would require crypto firms to seek licensing akin to New York's BitLicense, and it would also establish trust companies that could handle custody of digital assets. Crypto exchanges and other virtual asset businesses would have to provide investment disclosures, protect customer assets, have defensive measures against hacks, and shield themselves against use by money launderers. Yeah. Another thing happening, Illinois friends, watch out. If you got stuff on an exchange, withdraw it. Listen, that goes for wherever you live. If you have crypto on an exchange that you are not willing to lose, take it off and put it in a crypto cold storage wallet. Please, do not wait for all of these things to come out and all of these unfortunate news to come out, and then all of a sudden your favorite exchange has to go bye-bye because it can't function in your state anymore. You got to make sure you're prepared for all of that. We know that even Caitlin Long, she's been fighting the fight. She literally called it last week, saying she saw a coordinated effort among regulators for her crypto bank Custodia's rejection. She was trying to get approval from the Federal Reserve. She said if that anti-crypto faction thinks that crypto is going away or is not going to find its way back into the traditional U.S. banking system, the regulators, are going to be playing whack-a-mole for years down the road. She said she's been very crypto friendly. She wanted to actually help people. She was warning the regulators about a potential bank run because of, if you don't transition right, I guess there could be some sort of conflict here. She said she tried, and Custodia staff across the board tried, but it's very hard for the last 2.5 years to educate bank regulators on the risks and upside in these crypto-related technologies. It's been like years that she's been trying to do this. She said that it raises interesting questions about the independence of both the Federal Reserve from the White House and the Kansas City Reserve Bank from the Federal Reserve Board. And this is who she's getting rejected from. She said the denial of her application demonstrates a coordinated effort among agencies, and it highlights the key question of whether crypto should be inside of the regulatory perimeters. Should there be regulated versions of it, or should it be done outside of the regulated financial system? A question that we are all raising and we're all trying to figure out, friends. What happened now? She got rejected again. The Federal Reserve Board said Thursday it again rejected crypto bank Custodia's bid for Fed supervision after previously denying the application last month. You know how she said it was a coordinated effort? listen to this. The Fed board voted against reconsidering Custodia's application, a press release said. According to a list of votes, the decision was unanimous, consistent with last month's initial denial of Custodia's application to become a member of the Federal Reserve System. She said coordinated, unanimous. It's literally like she said, hey, this is what's happening. This is what I think is happening. And they said, confirmed. I don't know. Maybe I would like to know why they said why, right? We were wondering why. The Fed said Custodia's business model presented significant safety and soundness risks and claimed that Custodia did not have sufficient risk management framework in place. They're trying Custodia. They renewed its efforts to force the Fed to grant it access through the courts, filing amended complaints against the Federal Reserve as part of its ongoing legal fight. They're seeking to both become a member of the Federal Reserve System and undergo Fed supervision and gain access to a master account through the Kansas City Fed. They're trying, friends. We need to support Caitlin Long in her journey. Custodia, they're going through it. At least people are fighting. At least people are trying here. We need more people like that. We need more people that are willing to say, hey, we see problems. We want to fix them. We want to try to integrate the financial system with the trad system, however that may turn out. Nice to see you guys. We got Eni White Lodge, Chuck E. Savage. Nice to see you. Omar, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. Again, friends, please do me a favor. Smash these likes. Our goal is 100 likes. I see we have, 48 right now. Let's get after it, friends. I know we could do better than that. Smash those likes. Let's get to 100. We got it. Okay, let's get back to the next article. We even have Nigeria. Now, we know Nigeria has been going through it. Initially, they released the CBDC. People didn't want to use the CBDC, so they started saying, hey, we're going to hold back your access to cash. You were only able to withdraw $45 a day from the ATM. The maximum amount you could spend at point of sale was $45 in cash. That is scary. Now people are literally protesting at the banks and ATMs amid cash scarcity concerns. People are actually losing it. Take a look at this tweet. People are outside. We are in a country, this is a quote from the tweet, we are in a country that does not give a damn about us. A lot of people are abandoning their work just to collect 1,000 naira, which they will stand on that queue for hours for. The bank officials explained to them that they could only get 1,000 a day and 4,000 in a week. You have money, you suffer to collect. You don't have money, you die of hunger. P.S. Go and collect your PVC. Vote for the right choice. Crazy stuff. Now, this all comes down to an election that is going to be one of the most competitive elections, apparently, in Africa. Pretty scary. People, again, you guys could look at this article. People are asking for help. People are protesting in the streets. Oops, sorry about that. Nigeria, again, they're still struggling, but they won't go back to the CBDC. There's riots erupting across the countries, but people don't want to go back to the CBDC. There's a lot of reasons for it that are discussed throughout this article, like people not having enough places to use it. A lot of people, there are cash shortages, low adoption in terms of internet. A lot of people don't have internet, or there's limited amount of people that are able to use it and function properly with the internet. Not everyone is like us every day in the States where we just have our smartphones and we're dilly-dallying everywhere. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have access to internet like we do. However, despite all these efforts with CBDCs and the effort to control, people are still fighting it. This is, again, is going to be one of the most competitive elections that is coming up in Nigeria. So hopefully they vote for the right person and get CBDCs put to sleep, man, because this is really bad. And no one ever wants to live like that. Something that's less sad. We got Tel Aviv Stock Exchange. They're planning to let customers of its non-bank members trade crypto. This is something I thought was pretty interesting. The Tel Aviv Stock Exchange, or TASE, which operates Israel's only public equity trading platform, they want to expand authorized activities to allow customers of its non-banking members to trade crypto, according to a Monday announcement. Non-banking financial institutions can provide services like investments, consulting, brokering, and cashing out checks, but can't accept deposits from the public. The proposal to change its rules is now open for a period of public comment. After that, the proposal will be submitted for approval by the board of directors, the announcement from the stock exchange said. Under the proposal, non-bank members would have to buy and sell crypto for their customers through licensed crypto trading and custody providers. Again, friends, we know that there was some turmoil or some rocky times in 2022. Israel regulators have been warning about the volatility or the risks involved in digital assets. And earlier in the month, the country's markets regulator issued a warning against unlicensed crypto exchanges. And on Sunday, the Bank of Israel warned local banks and credit card companies of the risks of engaging with crypto companies. So can this end up being a crackdown on exchanges? They say, hey, friends, this is our Israeli, stock market exchange. Now you could only buy crypto through here. No other exchanges allowed. Can that happen? I'm not sure. I hope not. I hope, there's some diversity in where people can acquire cryptocurrency, but we do know there's such a crackdown on crypto firms. We've seen in the UK, where even in the UK, they want to have, if you want to serve UK customers, you have to be based there. And this is a global industry. So a lot of these regulations and these geographical barriers, they're going to have to change. And with the rise of decentralized exchanges, because at the end of the day, they're just code, decentralized applications, they can't be shut down. They're just here. So we're going to see a lot more of that. Butter, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. I'm happy you're here. If there's anyone else here, make sure to say hi, say hello, and smash those likes. We got this, friends. A few more things. Mohammed, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. NBA Top Shot. Last week, they said they were plausibly securities. A judge ruled in a Dapper lawsuit. This was spicy news, crazy stuff, literally as if you were buying trading cards as a kid, and those are securities. It's absolutely wild what's happening here. Following this, I don't think it's necessarily coordinated, but it doesn't help. Dapper Labs is actually laying off another 20% of its staff. We do know that, again, this happens in the corporate world. A lot of big companies are laying off ridiculous amounts of their staff in the traditional finance world. The biggest companies in the world are laying off people. So I wouldn't say this is a terrible thing for Dapper, but it is something that's here. The company's CEO announced a corporate restructuring and said that as a part of this restructure, they have made the difficult decision to part ways with team members representing 20% of full-time employees. It really is unfortunate, but even more unfortunate, oh wow, oh boys, Solana down again. How many times has Solana gone down? I feel like by the time I'm 30, Solana will be down 1,000 times. It is crazy how much goes down there. And I mean, I've stayed pretty neutral on the subject of Solana. I have mentioned a few times that I'm not a fan that it just stops and it has to be restarted and the devs are fixing it. Friends, a truly good blockchain, if it's something you're going to rely on there's millions of dollars invested in Solana by venture capitals. We know that's a thing, that Solana is literally heavily investing in by VCs. There's a ton of good games. I play some of these Web3 games that are based on Solana. But when something like this happens, it concerns me. I want a blockchain that is going to work, that I can rely on. For example, Bitcoin. Mostly been up 99 point something percent of its life. Litecoin, that has been the longest up and running blockchain for 11 plus years. Solana hasn't been around for that long, and it's been down than a lot of other blockchains that have been here for years. We need something that we could rely on, not something that, Solana went down, so now my gaming assets are frozen in place and I can't move them. That's ridiculous. And I feel, because again, there's so many good projects on Solana, that this is something that people have to worry about now. This was all weekend. The network stumbled, and infrastructure operators on the Solana network rushed right to the struggling blockchain early Saturday after a tech issue throttled users' ability to trade crypto, transfer assets, or do anything on chain. The blockchain started forking, creating conflicting versions of its transaction history around midnight-ish New York time, according to Solana's Discord server. Shortly after that, validators' RAM began increasing while the chain's transaction throughput fell off a cliff. The tech troubles combined to effectively freeze nearly all on-chain activity on the Solana network. By 2 a.m., the network was processing around 93 transactions per second, well below the rate near 5,000 transactions per second some 15 minutes prior, according to the data site Solana Explorer. It was a crisis reminiscent of the chain's rocky tech incidents in 2022, when a series of halts and slowdowns prompted reforms to how Solana manages inbound traffic. Imagine there were millions of people that were using Solana. What would happen? Again, there has been no immediate culprit through validator operators and network engineers suspecting a bug in the new version of Solana code that had come online hours before. Like, I didn't even hear about that. Again, it's really scary that people, again, are have so much money invested in Solana when it just goes down whenever and you can't do anything about it. Some validators made a second restart attempt as the transactions froze on Solana. So on Saturday, there was still so much drama going on. They tried to restart the chain. By evening, New York Times validators running Solana's infrastructure had long since concluded that the best way to right the chain would be to synchronize a restart and fork the chain. A first attempt was abandoned when validators realized that they picked up the wrong point at which to restart, furthering lengthening the delay. The problems that started as sluggish transaction processing has spiraled into a near-complete shutdown of activity on Solana, validators and developers told CoinDesk. The chain's block production has ceased and transactions aren't processing or being validated. Solana went down twice this weekend, friends. For users of the chain, it means that they can't do anything. So their on-chain crypto assets are unmovable, frozen in place until critical backend infrastructure comes back online. Absolutely freaking wild. At press time, validators working in conjunction with developers at Solana Labs were attempting to restart the chain and gotten some 70% of total stake behind the move. The network needs 80% supermajority to proceed. What a mess. What a mess. Solana is literally wrecked, like getting wrecked right now. So friends, if you have stuff on Solana, be careful. I've always put out this warning since the start. I don't know if I should have been more vocal about it, but friends, you don't want to use a blockchain all the time. If you have a lot of money on there, that's going to stop all the time. I hope that there's some resolution to this. And you know what I think is super funny? While this is all happening, this weekend, Solana went down, right? Last week, they were talking about how they were closing all the Solana stores. And how they're in New York and Miami, they had Solana physical stores and they were closing that down. So it seems like, things were kind of folding in and Solana went down. Crazy. Sahid, welcome to the show. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Solana. Welcome, Mr. NC. Patrick Murphy. Yeah, we can't imagine moving everything over to Solana. That's crazy. But again, there's a lot of communities that moved off of Solana the last time this all happened and stuff like that. Especially when Solana crashed. Let's actually go look at the Solana chart. Because Solana still manages, I think, went up a little bit. Coinbase, there we go. Yeah, so Solana, they didn't get too wrecked over the weekend. Again, this is literally the 16th. So since last Monday, we've gone down from, let's see, $26 to $22. So not terrible in terms of Solana being down forever. But here we go. There's Solana still at $22, recovering since literally December, where it was $9 and it was getting wrecked, Solana. But again, are you guys scared? Do you guys still want to use Solana? I'm a little concerned. Unfortunately. Last thing, we got Coinbase. Coinbase came out with a layer 2 blockchain solution called Base, and it did have a rocky rollout. Thursday, they did a testnet rollout that racked up user complaints on Twitter. The new ETH-focused protocol forms an integral part of Coinbase's strategy to steer its business into the developer space, especially critical after a slowdown in its exchange traffic and disappointing quarterly earnings reports. But just hours after Base's debut, the network was already experiencing problems, and the users flooded social media to complain about the network's functionality. Base's bridge is off to a rough start. Every single transaction reverting, and the bridge contract is unverified, so nobody can figure out what's going on. This is someone that wrote on Twitter. The testnet's operational glitches were caused by an issue with Coinbase's wallets, which incorrectly estimated the amount of gas or fees required to execute users' transactions, according to Coinbase. Coinbase software engineer said the bridge contracts bump up gas usage under load, which wallets weren't properly estimating. Again, friends, there's so many things going on. Apparently, there needs to be more security with Coinbase. I don't believe it says here, but I don't think it does say here, yeah. Apparently, Coinbase is, if you guys could do your own research on that and confirm for me, I believe Coinbase is the only person that has a validator for Base. So that does put things on a little, it just does make things a little iffy, friends. It makes things a little iffy. You only have one person validating this. That means they could revert transactions. I guess they could block people. It's not decentralized, particularly, which would be, I guess, explainable because this is a centralized entity, which also raises the question to me, right? Coinbase has a layer 2 blockchain. I don't think they have a native token of the blockchain. How does Gary Gensler feel about it, being that Coinbase is actually going to be a new partner in the IEX exchange, which is going to be the federally backed crypto exchange that was previously in talks with FTX. So that raises a lot of questions in my eyes. Friends, we all know also that we should not be playing around with our Bitcoin because sometimes you get wrecked. Drake, the rapper, lost $400,000 in Bitcoin after losing a bet on YouTuber Jake Paul's boxing match. $400K in Bitcoin. Poor Drake got wrecked. Poor Drake got wrecked. Wow. Jake Paul got wrecked and Drake got wrecked. A lot of people lost money on Jake Paul. So there was a Jake Paul versus, I think his name was Tommy Fury last night. It was like some pay-per-view pew 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 stuff. R.I.P. Jake Paul. Don't lose your Bitcoin, friends. If you're bet your fiat, don't bet your Bitcoin unless you're Drake, and I guess he could probably replace it. But yeah, Ken's Log, $100. Wowzers. Welcome to the show, Ken's Log. It's always great to see you. And yes, Crypto Savvy, he's helping me on my mission to acquire 1 Bitcoin. We're on the way there, friends. We are on the way there. Retro Mike, nice to see you as well. Yeah, 400K is nothing for Drake. I guess not. But to us, 400K is a lot. Friends, we also... You want to see the punches again? Yeah. Punch. KO. Yeah. I should work on that. I have to hit up Chris Cyborg, the MMA, Bellator MMA champ. She is so awesome. I had her on the show as well, if you guys want to go check that out. We are also on a mission, my friends. Let me pull up our mission. Let me see if I could get it and present it in a nice way. We are on a whole mission. And I'm not fooling around, guys. I'm not fooling around. I'm 100% dead serious. We are on a mission. Let me get it. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. We are on a mission. Jeremy, nice to see you. Okay. Come on, YouTube. Function for me, bruh. Okay. We have a live chat, a live count of subs, friends. We've been growing exponentially, friends, but we are on the quest for 10,000 subscribers. We are at 9,942 subs. My friends, we can make it to 10K this week. I know we said it last week, but this week it's happening. This week it's happening. We could get 10,000 subscribers.
Bears get wrecked.
Network Bits Crypto, absolutely. Thank you for your $5 super chat. Bears are getting wrecked. And bears of the NTC channel are getting wrecked too. Not that there are any bears. No one really hates on us because we're zesty. But friends, share this stream out with friends if you can. Smash that subscribe if you can. Be a doll. We have 9,942 subs. We can make it to 10,000 this week because we are zesty. We are so fire. And we are going to share all of these streams and be awesome. And I really do appreciate all of your support, friends. This road to 10K is so awesome. And I'm happy to be doing it with you guys. Oh no, Gary Gensler's in the chat? Stop it, bruh. Stop. We were just talking about you. We were just talking smack about you. Why are you making all these decisions that everything besides Bitcoin is a security? What's happening, Gary? Oh.
Retro Mike Crypto get wrecked.
Hey, you can. I appreciate the super chat, but we can't diss other people with the super chats. Abominable. Nice to see you. Thank you for coming. I see so many members here. If you guys are a member of the channel, don't hesitate to use your zesty, spicy emojis out here. We have spicy emojis. If you guys have a suggestion to an emoji you would like to see, then maybe I should add some crypto ones. But yeah, bad Gary, bad. Paul K, you're late. That's okay. As long as you're here and you're feeling zesty, that's all that matters. Friends, we're getting after it. Is there super chat beef?
Network Bits Crypto get wrecked.
Retro Mike. Thank you for your $10 super chat. You're just yelling at you guys are just yelling at each other through super chats now. You guys are funny. This is like this community. You guys are so awesome. Gary brings the dollars. No, you're trying to hurt us, Gary. You're trying to like ban everything out here. We have for Gen Z. I'm speaking from Gen Z here. You cannot be hurting us like this. You cannot be hurting us. You say I always win. So does that mean that you're going to stop hating on crypto and that like maybe we can have a conversation and like settle the beef? Broke Oshi, nice to see you. Hola, welcome to the show. Mish, nice to see you as well. Friends, we're always zesty out here. We're always staying zesty. Please, friends, our goal, as always, is 100 likes on the show. If you guys could make sure you smash these likes, share the stream out, subscribe, everything. Let's get people in here. Let's get people up to date with what's going on in crypto. Thank you everyone that contributed today. There were so many super chats. I don't think I've ever had this much in super chats ever. So thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate it. This is like more love than like, a while.
Retro Mike is a shill for Pigeon Coin.
For Pigeon Coin. Oh, well, thank you. So you're dissing him again, Network Bits Crypto. Thank you for your $5 super chat. So you're roasting him again for shilling Pigeon Coin. Listen, if he likes Pigeon Coin, then he could pigeon, like he'll fly away, like Twitter bird, fly free, fly free. Again, friends, make sure while you're here. Oops, I dropped. Oh wow. Whoa. Okay. If you guys are here as I'm picking up my earbud. Make sure you guys check out Market Cypher. They are so spicy. And I've been, again, hearing good feedback from the community about it. So make sure you click that link and use code MissTeenCrypto for 20% off. I love this bucket hat. I think I'm obsessed with Market Cypher because of the bucket hat and the charts. Like, I have a bucket hat obsession and a chart obsession. It's a perfect combo for me. Shout out to Market Cypher. Again, friends, we're having so much fun. We're having a lot of spice here. Again?
Network Bits Crypto is a MXC shill.
Oh, so you guys are so you're a Pigeon Coin shill and he's an MXC shill. Retro Mike, thank you for your $10 super chat. You guys, you're rage quitting. Don't rage quit. Network Bits, don't. We're all friends here. Don't worry. We're gonna be okay. Don't worry. Another super chat.
So spicy, tumbler glass.
Thank you, Vid Moon. Thank you for your spice and your $2 super chat. I really do appreciate it. So you hate MXC? Oh, so you're not an MXC shill. So I guess Mike doesn't have anything against you then, right, Mike? Are you guys good now? Because he's not? Gary Gensler, Randy, go straight and I'll see what I can do. What are you talking about, straight hair? Insidious, welcome to the show. Nice to see you. Chump change. What did you just walk into? Well, this is a super chat yelling war, I guess. They're just they're yelling at each other through super chats, which is pretty spicy in my opinion. But yeah, Dustin, this is where I'm hiding. I don't think I'm hiding. I'm just here, talking about charts, Bitcoin news, watching friends call each other shills in the chat for all good reasons, though. We're all good. We have Market Cipher bucket hats. This is what you walked into. Crypto Carnivore. Oh, Anthony, is that you, Anthony? Okay. Yeah, Gary Gensler, do you permit me to keep my super chat money? Oh my gosh, Network Bits Crypto.
Chump change get wrecked.
No, thank you for a $5 super chat, but no Chump Change get wrecked. Chump Change is actually a really nice guy. If you guys check out Chump Change, I was watching his channel. He was so nice to me when I was sitting in the chat. I was like, oh, okay, I was totally vibing. Sin City Crypto, hola! Nice to see you, hola! I also love Sin City Crypto. Those guys are super cool. That's actually where I met Gary Gensler and Jimmy and a few other friends in the chat. Literally, Sin City Crypto, they're so amazing. I can't wait to go to Vegas and hang out with them. Hater, you still love me? It's okay. Much love to you too. Nice to see you, Hater. Hater's fun. I love Hater. Abominable, Sin City in the Hizzle, yes. Retro Mike. Why are we dissing him?
Chump change stay wrecked.
Retro Mike, thank you for your $5 super chat, but we cannot keep hating on Chump Change. What did he do to you? What did he do to you? Chump Change, do we have beef like I didn't know about? Like, are you beefing with other friends out here? Not beefing with me, but other people. Randy, stay on and collect 100K by 3 p.m. Eastern. Listen, man, this is all... Again, like Dustin said, this chat is unhinged. They're just having fun. Like this is, I'm very grateful. I've never had this much super chats in my life. Like never this much. Thank you guys so much. My face is so red because I'm overwhelmed.
Always wrecked. FML, smiley face.
Jump change, dude. Thank you for your $10 super chat, but you're not wrecked. You're not wrecked. Please, no, you're not getting wrecked. You're A-okay, dude. You're so cool. Again, like I said, Chump Change is really cool. Always, good vibes on his channel. Talks about mining, which is something we should all get educated on. Kenny!
Happy late birthday ! _MTC.
Oh my
birthday
God,
cake. Party face.
I have
Party
to leave.
popper.
I have to leave. Oh my God, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? I can't, I'm gonna cry. Like, this is so much. Okay. Kenny, thank you for your late birthday wishes. I appreciate it so much. Guys, I'm 20. I turned 20 11 days ago. Isn't that wild? You guys have been with me for like 3 years. So thank you for that, Kenny. That really means a lot. Sin City, $5 super chat. Hola! Nice to see you, man. Thank you so much again for your super chat. I know I said hi to you like a million times, but like you're really awesome. And Bullduck, you pledged 4 months to be a member. Guys, thank you so much. Flex your stickers. Thank you guys so much for the super chats. I'm actually so overwhelmed right now. Thank you. Wow, thank you guys so much. Hater, this is bullish, right? Is this like the bull market signal? Like, thank you guys so much. So woozy. I deserve it. Thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate it. My net worth just jumped 1,000%. I'm Gary Gensler, dude. I'm so dead. Yeah, you guys did break me a little bit. I'm a little emotional. I don't even know how to function right now. Thank you guys so much. Again, this is the most super chats I've ever gotten, ever. So this is so much love, and I really do appreciate you guys, and it's getting me emotional, but like I really do care about the space, and I care about every single person in this chat and the future of everything, and I really do believe in like Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I don't care about any of the FUD that's out there. I really don't. I believe in the fundamentals of this space versus the pumpamentals of this space. And we are going to win so big, man. We are going to win. Despite what Gary Gensler says. No sub to the Gary Gensler in the chat. Thank you again. Hater, you're awesome. Thank you guys again so much for coming today. I'm so overwhelmed with love right now. Again, friends, I know some new people just popped in, so I'm going to show it one more time. We have a mission. We gained 1 sub already, but we have a mission for 10,000 subscribers. We have grinded for every single one. Whoa, Bulldog, what did you do? You just gifted 5 memberships. Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm literally going to cry. Okay, before I start crying, we have... Oh, wrong overlay. Oh, Maninja, $1 super chat with the little kitty. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, another subscriber. Dude, guys, we're going up in subs. We got new members. If you are a new member, flex your stickers. What is happening? You guys are giving me so much love. I can't even contain it. I literally cannot even contain it. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the birthday wishes on TikTok too. Wow, what is happening? Let's send it to 10K, guys. We can do it. 9,945 subscribers. We got 78 likes on this video. Let's smash those likes. Let's get to 100 likes. Let's get to 10,000 subs. Because if any community can do it, we can. Of course, the ultimate goal is maybe a little bit larger than 10K. But I really do believe that we can do it. We can do it together. And I'm really happy that this is the community that we could start off our journey with. So thank you to everyone that's with me under 10,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Mr. S, you subbed. Hater, thank you for your $1 super chat. Hater, thank you so much. You have the heart eye emoji. I remember you flooded me with those. It's so awesome. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm so emotional. Like, I don't even know what to say. Jump change once.
10K, let's go.
Let's go. Thank you for your $10 super chat. Chump change. And you're another creator. Like, you're another creator giving another creator a super chat. So, like, you're so... I can't. You're so cool, man. Thank you so much. I don't even, like, I'm actually getting emotional. I don't know if I should leave before I cry. Like, Paper Planes, thank you for coming. Again, friends, make sure you smash this like. I can't even believe you guys are showering me with this much love. I cannot even believe it. Wow. I really don't know what to say. I think I have to put on my bucket hat for, like, consolation. So, yeah, friends, we have some love here.
Anything Chump Change does, I can do better.
Retro Mike, stop it. You're just trying to beef. But thank you for your $10 super chat. Thank you so much. What is happening? I actually have to get a freaking tissue. Thank you for your rose on TikTok. Oh, my gosh. Whoa, what is that? You sent me a galaxy? That is so cool. Crypto Glenn. Thank you so much. That's so cool. That was super dope. My whole screen just became a galaxy. Rich, nice to see you. Oh, I haven't seen you in a while. Nice to see you. Network.
Patrick Murphy, you can get wrecked too.
Network Bits Crypto. What did Patrick do to you now? Thank you for your $5 super chat. What happened with Patrick? I didn't see it. Oh my gosh. Guys, stop it. This is hilarious. This is so funny. Thank you guys so much. Network Bits is just laughing in the chat. You guys are so crazy. I don't know what to do. Thank you for subscribing. So how many subscribers do we have? We went up a few. Wow, guys. Mr. S subscribing. Oh my gosh, we're mooning. Guys, we are mooning. 9,948 subbies, my friends. 9,948 subbies. We can do 10K. 10K is easy. This is easy for us, friends. I am so hype. I'm almost standing on my chair. Whoa, we have another subscriber. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we're mooning. We are mooning. Share out the stream. Smash the likes. Whatever you want to do, say hi in the chat. We are mooning today, my friends. We are absolutely mooning. I'm so hyped. I am like going to run over a rainbow. Like I'm going to run across a rainbow after this. Maninja $1 super chat with 100 emoji. You know that's one of my favorite emojis. Maninja, thank you. Thank you, fam. We don't have many subs to go. Wow. Whoa, we're going up. We're going up. Whoa. My green screen is literally out of... Guys, what is happening? You guys saw that. Where are these subscribers coming from? Where are they coming from? What? You guys are seeing this too. I'm not making this up. You guys are not feeling... Where are these subscribers coming from? Where? Wait. I'm confused. Where is this coming from? Where is this coming from? Gary Gensler, is this your fault? We're pimping. We just pimped. Dude. More galaxies on TikTok. What are you guys doing to me? What is happening? Oh, someone just unsubscribed. You guys saw that too. RIP. But we just went up so many subscribers. What just happened? Oh my gosh. Well, okay then. Well, okay. This is crazy. Once we hit 10,000 subs, we all get virtual hugs. Yes, hater.
When someone writes when Moon chumped moons them.
Oh, thank you for your $2 super chat. I didn't know Chump Change was out here mooning people. I mean, I'm gonna stick to the rated G content from here, but for El Lamoke, nice to see you. You're new here. Well, friend, we went over a ton of news today. We finished up the news. I was gonna head out, and then I just got rained on, and with so much love, and I don't even know how to handle it. That was insane. Oh my gosh, we went up more subs. We're at 9,966. What is going on? Whoa. Dude. We went down. Oh, we went back down. But dude, what is happening? I didn't expect any of this. I just went live today and I was like, we're just newsing, you know? We're newsing. And then we started subbing and chatting, and what? Whoa. Glenn, you gave me 57 roses over there? Thank you so much. Thank you. Network
Chris
bits.
Bagnall get
Another
wrecked.
5?
Big wrecked.
Another galaxy? What the? What are you guys doing, man? What are you guys doing? We went back up. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for your $5 super chat. Chris Bagnall get wrecked. Why are you hating on Chris? What happened with Chris now? Hater, yes, I need a hug. 100 likes and we all get hugs. I don't even know what's happening here. I'm so overwhelmed. Like, this is a lot of love you guys are giving me right now. This is crazy. Wow, okay. I do have to go, and I have another appointment in like 15 minutes, friends, so I do have to go. 8 more likes until 100 likes, but thank you guys so much. I'll give you guys the virtual hug anyway. Thank you guys so much for all of this love. I can't even believe what happened today. Rylan, welcome to the show. AYC19, what's up? I don't even know what to do. Thank you guys so much for all of the love today. I can't even believe it. Like, I'm going to go on my next appointment emotional. Retro Mike, another
Network
5.
bits trade HNT for PGN or get wrecked.
Oh my gosh. Retro Mike, thank you for your $5 super chat. You and Network Bits are just yelling at each other, dude. You guys are going off. I'm trying to stick around for the 100 likes, but friends, I really do have to go. Oh my gosh. Jimmy coming in. Dude, wow. I can't.
Just remember who was your first SC today.
I know. Thank you, Jimmy, for your super chat, your $5 super chat, your one from before. Whoa. Thank you, man. 2 more likes until 100. Come on, we could do it. We could do another sub. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we are winning today. We are absolutely winning out here. We are winning. I am so hype. Stop. Where are you guys coming from? Where are these subscriptions coming from? Dude, what is happening? Please tell me what's happening. What? Ken's log a $5 super chat, Zest appreciation. I appreciate you. What?
Zest appreciation.
What the what? 102 likes. Like, I can't. This is so hype. Like, I don't even know what to say. Emotional. You guys can tell by my eyes. Like, whenever I start to tear up, it's like I can't even hide it. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. I don't even know what to say right now. How many subs do we have? 9,970. Oh my gosh. Okay. We have 30 more subscribers until 10K. Guys, this week it is happening. We are mooning as a community. We are mooning. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. This literally, like, wow, this all, like, means so much. Like, this is crazy. Thank you guys so much for coming. Wow. I don't even know how to put words to what happened today. We have more people in the chat. Whoa, Bullduck, another 5 memberships. Yo, what? 5 memberships? Thank you so much. Bullduck, man, you didn't have to do that. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much. This is one of the best streams that we've had. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys so much. Serial. Oh, you're from Chump's crew. So you guys are from Chump Change. So Chump, you sent them? Yo. Chump Change, dude. And look how many subs we have now. We're going up. We're moving. 9,976. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. And now Gary Gensler is a member of the channel. So he's responsible for our future moon. Oh, my gosh. 9,976 subs. And we got, like, mad super chats. Thank you guys so much. What a Monday indeed, Matt. What a Monday, dude. What a Monday. I'm a little emotional. I don't really know what to say. Thank you guys so much. Like, I'm so fortunate to have a great community and people that support me like you guys do. So again, thank you so much for everything. I like I said, I do have an appointment at 1:30 that I do have to get to, but I wish I could stay here for another 30 minutes because I totally would and chill with you guys and just talk. But thank you so much. Wow, we have so many more. We have 2 more super chats too. What is happening? My thing's just going blip, 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 blip.
Keep up the hard work, Randy. We all appreciate you. Smiley face.
Kenny.
Here's some love from Misfits Mining.
Wow, guys, what is happening? Thank you so much, Kenny. Thank you so much, Rylan. Wow. This is absolutely insane. Literally. Wow. All right, so I'm going to stay on until 1:30 until I actually have to hop off for my next appointment. Wow, thank you guys. What is happening? Bitcoin dumping, MTC pumping a little bit. Thank you guys so much. Like, I can't even imagine, like, how did this even just start? Like, what happens here? Crypto Glenn, did you come from TikTok, Glenn? Thank you so much for supporting me over there, by the way. Wow. This is crazy. You guys are crazy. Network Bits Crypto again. Whoa.
Rylan Tech can get wrecked too.
Now you're hating on Rylan. Not Rylan. Thank you for your $5 super chat. Man, this is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. I don't even know what happened. I just went live, fam. We just went live, and this is like, chump change. Dude, you are such a G. You are a G. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How many subs do we have now? 9,979. Dude, 9,980. We are 20 subs away. Oh, friends, if I didn't have an appointment, would I stay on here until we're going to have a 10K sub party. Do you think, friends, if we go up a little bit more, if I should go live and do a 10K live party? Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Friends, this is absolutely spicy. Hater, I need to buy 1 Bitcoin. Friend, I need help on the way, man. I am trying. It kills me. I've been in this space for how long? Like 3 years, and I still don't have 1 Bitcoin. So I really am trying to get there. I am in super duper shock. It's literally only it's literally only like 1:30. Like, wow, what a day. This is so spicy. Crypto Perks, welcome to the show. Gaming with Smokey Dan, nice to see you. Welcome to the show. Andrew Stoner, nice to see you. I am so wowed. Oh, Mitch Wana, you came from Jason Casper. Nice. I love Jason. All right, listen, friends. Do we have any updates? All right, we went down a sub. It's okay. Friends, thank you guys so much for coming today. I am so in shock at what happened. I don't even know what to think, what to do, how to feel. Yeah, this is probably the craziest stream that we've ever had. Daddy-O, what's up, man? Wow. Gary Gensler, Casper, and I have the same physique. Dude, that's actually so, yeah. Dude, Jason works, man. Ryland, Zesty is your gamer tag. That's hilarious. You're here from the UK, from Chump. Nice to see you. Jay, subbed. Crypto Glenn sent you. Crypto Glenn. Wow, I am so emotional. You guys are super wild. Super wild.
Everyone from Misfit Miners get wrecked. Ha 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 lol.
Oh, wow.
10K soon. Keep crushing IT.
Dude, Network Bits, thank you so much. Don't diss the miners, because we need miners in crypto, and then friggin' Chump Change, thank you again. 10 states. I can't even friggin', I can't word, I can't English, I can't word. Thank you so much. I don't even, wow. Thank you so much. Like, you guys are sitting here watching me cry. Like, I just can't even. Thank you guys so much. Like, Chump Change, Network Bits, like, everybody today. Like, I just don't even know what to say. Like, this was the craziest. The craziest. Yeah, literally, Gary Gensler, this new case, MTC versus English. I don't know. I really don't even know what to say. I'm trying not to cry. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is an overwhelming amount of love. Like, this is probably the craziest stream I've ever had. Thank you for the kisses and the hugs. And Janix, what is going on here? That's a great question. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I need a tissue. What is happening? Dude,
We love you and your energy.
thank you so much for your $5 super chat. Thank you so much. Wow. I can't even comprehend what happened today. Thank you guys so much. Like, it's actually pretty insane. Like, I really just didn't expect any of this to happen. Like, I can't even. I know, Daddy-O, there's no crying in crypto, but I'm weak. I'm literally weak. I feel like a weak hands selling Bitcoin when it drops a little bit. They get nervous and they're like, okay. I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop crying because this is crazy. Gary, I know I'm trying not to make you feel emotion because you're mean to people in the crypto industry. I just don't know what to say. Okay. Crypto Cats, what's up? Whoa. I'm sorry. I should be like saying words and being entertaining. I just don't know what to say because this is so much. Let's see how many subs we're at now. And I really do have to leave in like a minute. Oh my gosh, we're literally 17 away. Guys, I might go live again later. To do a 10K party. I wish I could stay. I really do. This is actually so insane. I did not expect this today. Thank you guys so much. We are going to hit 10K. I thought it would be the end of the week, but I guess it might be like really a lot sooner than that. It's been such a journey to get this far. And like, I know this is literally only the beginning. And I'm happy that it's with you guys. So thank you guys so much for coming today. I really do have to go and I want to cry. But this is so overwhelming. Like, this is the craziest stream we've ever had. And I don't want to get wrecked. None of us are going to get wrecked. This space is so beautiful. We're really all going to make it. Thank you guys so much for the support. Chump change. I don't even know what to say to you, man. Like, I am so in shock by what you did today. So thank you so much for sending so many people over here and just sharing love to me. And like, I don't even know what to say. And everyone that donated or super chatted today, I thank you so much. Like, I have diamond hands on you guys. Like, I have diamond hands on this industry, and I love this industry. I love crypto so much, and I love you guys so much. So thank you. All right, I gotta head out. I actually really do have to go and clean up because I'm supposed to be on the phone right now with somebody. And I hate saying I'm gonna be somewhere and I'm late.
MTC get wrecked too. Ha 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 JK.
Evan, thank you so much. Not Evan. I'm going on the phone with someone named Evan. Network, thank you so much. I know I'm wrecked right now, but thank you. Thank you so much. All right, I gotta go, guys. Like, I don't even have a choice at this point. Thank you guys so much for finishing off the show with 9,987 subscribers. I'm so sorry that I have to go. I would stay until 10,000. I really would. But thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of the love. Like, I really just don't even know what to say. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. If you enjoyed the stream, make sure to smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with friends so more people can learn about cryptocurrency, the news, and see me cry. And thank you guys so much. Have a great day, fam. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern. You guys know the vibe. Stay zesty, friends. If you guys think I should come back, comment on Twitter. I'm gonna try. I want to do a 10K party. Again, we have 9,988 subs. So thank you guys so much. All right, I'm good now. Thank you guys so much for coming. Make sure you smash these likes, share the stream out with friends, comment after this is over. Let me know if you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much to everyone that contributed. I'll be back tomorrow, 12 p.m. Eastern. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.